everyone, I'm Melanie. Welcome back to our English lesson. Today we are going to talk about simple present tense. Alright, let's start to the explanation. Take a look at these activities. Sarah goes to school every morning. The sun rises in the east. I love chocolate. All these sentences use simple present tense. Why? Let's find out together. First, let's look at the positive form. There are two main patterns we need to remember. For the first formula, when our subject is I, you, we, or they, the formula is subject plus verb 1 plus object. We use the basic form of the verb. For example, I play football. I is the subject, play is the verb, and football is the object. Another examples are you drink water, we study English, they work hard. But when our subject is he, she, or it, we need to add s or es to the verb. So the formula is subject plus verb 1, we add s or es plus object. For example, he plays football. He is the subject, play is the verb, but we add s so it becomes plays, and basketball is the object. Another examples are she drinks water and it works well. But when do we add s and when do we add es? We add es when the verb ends in ss. From kiss becomes kisses. He kisses his mom goodbye. Ends in sh. Wash become washes. She washes her car weekly. Ends in ch. Teach becomes teaches. He teaches math. Ends in x. Fix become fixes. She fixes computers. Ends in o. From go becomes goes. He goes to work. If a verb ends in y after a consonant, we change the y to I and add es. For example, study become studies. She studies French. Fly becomes flies. The bird flies high. Now, let's learn how to make these sentences negative. We need do not and does not. For I, you, we, they, the formula is subject plus do plus not plus verb 1 plus object. We use do not or don't. For example, I do not play football. You do not drink coffee. We don't study on Sundays. They don't work late. For he, she, it, we use does not or doesn't. So the formula is subject plus does plus not plus verb 1 plus object. For examples, he does not play football. She doesn't drink coffee. It doesn't work properly. Here is something very important. When we use doesn't, we use the basic form of the verb. No s or es. This is where many students make mistakes. For example, she doesn't play football. It's incorrect. The correct one is she doesn't play football. We don't need s in the verb play. What about when we want to ask questions? We will use do and does again. For I, you, we, they, the formula is do plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. For examples, do you play football? Do they work here? For he, she, it, the formula is does plus subject plus verb one less object. For example, does he play football? Does she live here? Does it work? Remember, just like with negatives, we use the basic verb form after does. Now that we know how to form it, let's understand when we use simple present tense. There are three main situations. For the first, for habits and routines. The examples are: every morning I brush my teeth. She takes the bus to work. They play basketball on Sundays. And then number two, for general facts. The examples are: the earth rotates around the sun. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Lions eat meat. And then number three, for feelings and states. The examples are: I love pizza. He understands English. They live in London. And then let's talk about some words that often go with simple present tense. These words helps us understand how often things happen. For examples, always, 100% of the time, usually, most of the time, often, frequently, sometimes, occasionally, and rarely, not often. And then never, 0% of the time. We also use every day, every week, every month, every year. For example, I always brush my teeth in the morning. She usually takes the bus to work. They never eat meat. We study English every day. Okay everyone, now it's time for some practice. Let's make sure we have understood everything we have learned. Let's look at these incomplete sentences. Take a moment to think the correct form. The answer is cooks because mother is she. So we need to add s. We say rotates because earth is treated as it. Here we use play without s because the subject is they. The answer is doesn't sleep because dog is it. We say don't study because the subject is we. And that's it for today's lesson. I hope you found it helpful and clear. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.